Want to change your iPhone keyboard background? In this video, I'll show you how to customize it step by step in just a few minutes. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Now tap on the search bar at the top and type Gboard, then search for it. From the results, tap on Gboard and install the app. Wait a few seconds for it to download. Once it's installed, open the Gboard app and follow the basic setup instructions. Now go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on General, then tap on Keyboard and again tap on Keyboards. Now select Add New Keyboard. From the list, choose Gboard. After adding it, tap on Gboard again and turn on Allow Full Access. A pop-up will appear, just tap Allow to confirm. This step is important for themes to work properly. Now open any app where you can type, like Messages. Tap on the text box to bring up the keyboard. Press and hold the globe icon on the keyboard, then select Gboard to switch to it. Now, to change the keyboard background, go back and open the Gboard app again. Tap on Themes. Here you'll see different colors, styles, and image backgrounds. Choose any theme you like, and it will be applied instantly. And just like that, your iPhone keyboard background is now customized. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.